Sa Philippine boxing hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin nawawala ang init ng bangayan sa social media. Dalawang pangalan, dalawang henerasyon, isang tanong, sino ang mas tunay na mandirigma? Sa isang panig, ang 3-division world champion, si John Riel Casimero. Ang Cuadro Alas, subok na sa gera, nasabak na sa iba't ibang bansa, at napatunayan na ang kanyang lakas sa pinakamalalaking laban.
Boy, see that left hook. But make no mistake about it. Oh, down, and I think it's out.
Sa kabilang panig, ang undefeated rising star, si Carl James Martin, ang Wonder Boy, bata, mabilis, at gutom patunayan ng sarili. Lalong uminit ang usapan ng akusahan ni Martin na naduwag daw si Casimero matapos itong hamunin sa isang sparring session. Kaya ang sigaw ng fans, maglaban na kayo! Pero ayon sa iba, hindi pa raw sapat ang mga laban ni Martin. Wala pa raw siyang tunay na elite na nakakalaban. Samantala, si Casimero, kilala na sa matitinding bakbakan, mga laban sa ibang bansa, mga kampiyon na kanyang pinabagsak. At lalo pang lumala ang tensyon nang hamunin ni Martin ang veteranong si Nonito Donaire at nang hindi siya pinansin, tinutok niya ang hamon kay Casimero. Ngayon, para masagot ang tanong, balikan natin ang isa sa pinakamahalagang laban sa karera ni Martin. Kontra sa Thai warrior, si Chaiwat Krathok, isang veteranong mandirigma, may 40 panalo, 26 na knockout, nakataya ang WBO Global Super Bantamweight title, isang sinturong minsan nang nahawakan ni Casimero. Nung tinalo niya si Filippo Singhitumba. Unang round pa lang, walang pakiramdaman, palitan agad ng suntok, parehong gustong magpakitang gilas, parehong gustong magtapos ng laban.
Yellow and black for this bout.
Carl James Martin entered the ring with his entourage, composed of elders, our elders in Ifugao, councilors.
It's good to clarify. Yes, for sure. But Kratok myth? It's important, partner. This is a pacing is important. And partner, this is patience. Pacing is important.
James Martin is trying to size up Butchatok. Baga sinasabi sa Filipino theater from Thailand.
So Skylander. Both are known for their warrior mentality.
Tuloy ang aksyon dito sa ikalawang round kung saan nagpakita ng tibay itong dalawang boxers.
Martin could beat you in two ways. He could beat you by points, and he has the power to deliver that knockout.
Up with a punch, patient, no? Especially timing. There you have it. Full timing.
He's trying to gauge kung lahat ng boxer may ganon capability.
Na sumusuporta kay Carl. Oh, huge shot by both boxers at that exchange. Oh, huge. But keeping left hook.
Carl James Martin. Oh, hindi mo matatawaran yung heart na dahil meron lang siyang schedule na fight.
Round 3, nagsimulang uminit ang aksyon. Sunod-sunod ang malilinis na tama ni Martin. Pero matibay ang Thai, hindi bumabagsak. Patuloy lang sa laban.
Chaiwat Butchatok, yes.
Fighting for a belt. It's always
And this global title by the WBO is a good step. Kuha ang world title.
That counter of Butchatok is
Inang nakalaban. He has a lot of fight. Medyo mabigat din to for Carl James Martin.
for sure for a belt. It's always the best.
And this global title by the WBO is a good step ladder. Kuha ang world title.
And of course, he goes
With that leaping left hook.
ng game plan ngayon ni Chaiwat Butchatok. A nice uppercut by Carl James Martin. Oh!
and the fight is heating up. Martin will
May mga boxer dyan na ayaw fight. Partner, doon mo sa nagsasabing hindi full house ang crowd. Siguro, wala nang full house pa dito.
Right, no? Oh, that upper and then hook. Up top landed for Carl James Martin.
fight is heating up. Martin will that for southpaw, ano? So
Yes.
there has to be some
Mga boxer dyan na ayaw lumaban ng South.
right, ano?
Oh.
Oh, that top landed for Carl James Martin. For in Thailand.
With a
pace of Carl James Martin.
So, I mean, yung mga ranking na yan, I have to watch it for the next 10 minutes.
Round 5, lumakas pa ang atake ng Pinoy. Walang tigil, walang preno, pero nananatiling nakatayo ang kalaban.
punch. But that high guard just absorbs that punch and counters.
But not a scoring punch. 4 to 5 punch combination is a scoring.
As long as it lands.
Yes,
It has
oh.
to land. If it touches the arms or the gloves, although it doesn't land, it has the ability to weaken you. Nakakapagod yung partner kaya nung matamaan ka sa braso. Kahit pa gano'n ka-protect.
You have to watch his fight against Milan Milindo.
Nice. James Martin.
But Martin sharp with it, uses that jab to land that power. But what?
4 to 5 punch combination is a scoring.
As long as it lands,
yeah.
the arms or the gloves. Although it doesn't land, it has the ability to weaken you. Nakakapagod yun, partner. Kaya nung matamaan ka sa braso, kahit pa gano, kapag natatamaan.
Answers with consecutive right hooks, both of that in the body.
Oh, that left upper. Wow!
Oh, wow. Martin with that uppercut. Certainly hurt what's na to. And he sends his blood in the water, partner. Oh, wow.
I think Martin is smelling blood right now.
Those punches and he's still standing, partner. Counters with
Oh, a little rubber legs for Butatok right now.
Hanggang sa huling segundo, naalog si Buat Kratok, pero nailigtas siya ng bell. At sa round 6, dumating ang sandali. Isang kombinasyon, isang malinis na tama. Bumagsak ang Thai champion. Tumayo pa, pero halatang wala na. Wala ng balanse, wala ng laban. Kaya inawat na ng referee. Technical knockout. Panalo si Carl James Martin at kasabay ng panalong iyon ang pag-angkin sa WBO Global Title. Isang belt na dating hawak ni Casimero nang tinalo nito si Philippus Ngitumbua, ngunit binakante ito ni Cuadro Alas. Ngayon, isa na lang ang tanong, sapat na ba ang ipinakita ni Martin para tapatan ang isang veteranong tulad ni Casimero? Ilagay sa komento ang inyong desisyon at banggitin kung saan kayo nanonood para malaman natin saan umabot ang suporta ng mga Pinoy sa ating mga boxer.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.